Hey bros, today we're headed back to Sound Diesel for another day of diesel shenanigans fun. The dually's finally at Gene's shop. It took us 4 days to get it down there, but hey, it's really busy down there. Gene's got bulletproofs getting done daily, like getting finished up, so it's like, you know, super busy there all the time. But anyways, we finally got it there, so Brandon and I are gonna actually go get our wiring harnesses stripped out of it. So join us on our journey once again, bros. We'll catch you guys when we're down at Sound. Alright bros, now that we're down here, we can actually finally get this truck stripped, all the parts off we actually need. Gene's super busy today. It's Wednesday, Memorial Day is coming, so everybody wants their stuff before the weekend, of course, right? So he gave us permission to go ahead and tear all the parts off we need because he can forklift move this and whatnot. So Brandon's down here, he's starting getting the harness disconnected below the front cross member there. And then we got everything else disconnected, so we should be able to get batteries out and then start pulling out this harness. So let's get started. These damn kids with hoodies.
These damn hoonigans. You can see we've got the majority of the guts ripped out from inside the truck, which is, well, I'm glad that's over because it's usually a horrible pain. All that junk, but it goes down there under that, and you think that would be easy to be like, oh, that's a fan shroud, whatever, that'll just pop out. No. That side's all done, or yanked out anyway, including that. The top of the fan shroud came off pretty easy. That was like 3 bolts. But the bottom, even if I get this big piece disconnected, it's too big to fit out of there. So what I'm going to try to do is undo all the bolts right there for this part of the fan shroud. Then I hopefully can get that off with that rubber seal type thing underneath with all the rat poops on down there. And once I pull that off, then I should be able to lift the harness up through right there. But it's still connected right down there. There's that little thing you can't see it because it's blurry. There's a little clip down there into that piece of plastic that will not come apart. And that's going to be a big hang up. But it's almost there. Yeah, buddy. Thank you, Colin. I was gonna say I'm tired, but I mean, I think that yawn pretty much summed it up.
Alright guys, another day ended at Sound Diesel Performance. Today we actually started pulling most of the wiring off the dually. We got the battery boxes taken off the driver and passenger side, but the driver's side one we had to drain the cooling system because the coolant reservoir slash vapor tank there, because it doesn't have a radiator cap, so that's what pressurizes your system there. That's where your pressure cap is on top of that. So it's got a big 1-inch hose that goes down and tees into the lower radiator hose. So that's why we had to drain the cooling system. Got that all drained out, got that disconnected, pulled off, and then we got all of the little Christmas tree clips undone off the harness all around it. Then we went to the the passenger side, and we unplugged it from the ECU slash security ECU over there on that kick panel. Got that all unplugged and done, and then we moved over to the driver's side. Got that all unplugged beneath the column and fed that through the firewall, and then we pulled the harness out. Well, it's a little bit of a struggle, but it's just knowing what parts you have to take off so you can get the harness out. So we did it. We got the harness out, we got the gauge cluster out, the firewall ECU out. So now we're finally ready to go start extending that harness so it'll fit around the dually's wheel tubs. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow when we're down there extending that harness. Thanks for being here. Like always, guys, thanks for your constant support. And check us out at cougarhousegarage.com if you want to see more of what we do. Check us out at Facebook.com/cougarhousegarage. And then check us out at threadless.com/cougarhousegarage. And pick yourself up some Cougar House merch. We got some shirts on there. And then check us out at Instagram too, guys. And follow us. We'll catch you guys in the next video.